Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the machine and ingredients. This first step prevents mistakes later. Fill the reservoir with fresh cold water to the minimum 0.5 mark and select 1 teapot or measure loose tea at 2 g per 100 ml. Once done, inspect the filter basket and cartridge. Cleanliness affects flavor. Turn the machine to its preheat mode if available. Warming the system ensures stable infusion temperature. Make sure all seals are seated so pressure and flow start correctly. You now control the brew parameters. This is where precision matters. Set the temperature to 90 degrees for green tea, 95 degrees for black, or 100 degrees for herbal. These ranges extract optimal compounds. Then select a brew volume and strength using 1 to 50 tea to water ratio as your baseline, adjusting slightly for taste. Start the machine and watch the first 30 seconds. Even flow and a steady stream mean proper extraction. Sputtering or drips indicate a seal or pump issue that you finish by stopping the brew at your target volume, then stir gently to homogenize the infusion and even out strength. Serve immediately into pre-warmed cups to preserve temperature and aroma. Clean the basket and flush the system with hot water to prevent buildup. If the tea tastes weak or bitter, check 3 things: temperature accuracy, contact time, and the tea quantity or pod integrity. Adjust one variable at a time. That single troubleshooting tip prevents guesswork and gets consistent results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.